Okay, we're going to describe the bottle in gate and out gates. We have the in gates to the left of the machine when traveling from left to right, of course. The out gates are to the right, going downstream. So if the in gates were to open, the bottles will travel in. The sensor is counting them here. Now, when the bottles get to the end, the out gates stop the last bottle. When the in gate counts the 6th bottle, it's going to close the in gate, holding them and allowing them to be filled. We can control the speed of the cylinders. Again, for the cylinders, the speed of the cylinder extending would be done on the discharge or the exhaust side by turning in these screws. Right now we have 2 cylinders for the size of the bottle. If you turn in these screws, it will slow down the rate at which the cylinder extends. When the gates retract, we would control those speeds by the rear flow control valves. Opening them up would increase the speed, turning them in would decrease the speed. On the out gate, when we're done filling, we have the same thing. Right now we have 4 gates holding the gallon jugs due to their weight. We've got the flow valves for the speed control, and once we are done filling and the nozzle bar is in the home position, the out gate would open. The bottles are going to travel out. Once it counts the 2nd bottle here, we now have a window. At the 2nd bottle, the in gate's going to open. Now we have a gap in the bottles. The slug keeps continuing out, and after the 6th bottle, the out gate closes, and with the in gate open, it'll count 6 more bottles in. Once it counts the 6 bottles in, if there were bottles here, the in gate would close and we'd start filling again.